Okay, welcome here to the second game. Yes, I'd like to play first against him. So, I was looking at his deck. Guess it wasn't too bad. Guess we can handle that. Don't know exactly what he had because somehow my magic software collapsed, so I can't go back to the event lobby. But as far as I remember, he shouldn't be that much of a problem. We had one which had the total tempered steel deck. Artifacts, we had one which had the total wide red. I guess this was snow. Wide red deck with equipment, several removals, arrests, etc. And we had one which I don't remember. Either snow was the one which with the white red deck, or well, I don't know, but though he's waiting for a bit, just give me a second, I'll pause this, and see you very soon. So, well, here we are, and he finished looking at my prior games. So, playing Island for sure, next turn, Perilous Mirror, should be okay. Really curious whether he had the white arrest deck. Oh, white, he had the blue-white one, yeah. Guess he had several equipments like Dark Steel Axe, Kemba Skyguard, played this thing around. This shouldn't be too much of a problem to be able to beat him, to handle that. But let's just wait for that. Having Quicksilver Gigantum in your hand is actually really sweet, according to Scrap Dive Serpent, if you can accelerate up to that. So, he's mana screwed. No, he's not mana screwed. Ah, he was playing the white-black thing. Yeah, grass, definitely, this deck is similar to mine. Now I remember it. But he has something like Grasp of Darkness, Skin Render, playing Dark Slick Drake, one Lumen Crit Drake, Rustic, Tumble Magnet. Those were the cards. Yeah, that was similar, somehow similar to mine, with additional black cards. Okay, Trinket Mage. He has just one target for that, which is the green Spell Bomb, and he will definitely fetch that. Come on, I have precognitive abilities. Yay! The green Spell Bomb. Hey. Dig that. Okay, here's my mirror. And I don't want to attack you. Definitely not. So next turn we have 6 mana, which means we're 1 mana away from playing Quicksilver Gigantum or Scrap Dive Serpent. Which is actually cool. Yeah, man. Give me that. I will punch you back. Mana. And then we have, yeah, okay, that's okay. Guess we'll have that up so we can bounce anything against his Grasp of Darkness, which actually he hasn't ready, so that's cool. And this is a nice target Neurocroplica if we attack and this goes through, just to give a twisted image on that and make some more damage. Well, this should be a sweet target for that. And now I definitely want to draw mana, then this game is nearly over. Then we can drop the Gigantum or the Scrap Dive Serpent or whatever. Mana! Well, this looks sweet. Gigantum or Scrap Dive Serpent? Guess we'll just drop the Serpent. So he has to sack his Spell Bomb. Okay! Yeah, good, we did. So our Quicksilver Gigantum gets not countered next turn. This is sweet. This is definitely sweet. And here comes end of turn. Grasp of Darkness. Yeah, okay. This is good. This is okay. Yeah, well, guess I want to block it right now. And just kick your Trinket Mage's ass. So now we can play removal, which is good for me. Bleakhaven Vampires, they're fine. And here comes the Mr. Quicksilver Gigantum. Which should be, yeah, well. Choose a creature for Quicksilver Gigantum, so we choose the mirror. So we have a 7/7 silver mirror, which is okay. I guess that wasn't good, because now he can remove it with artifact removal, but actually he has none. So we have a 7/7 mirror, which is actually sweet. Can't remember having had this before, but well. Okay, guess we drop the clasp. If he double blocks, he can't kill me, which is cool. No, he can't. So this one just swings in. Yeah, and this gets sacked for sure, but then it's gone. Yup. That's okay. So we play the Trigon of Thought. And after that, guess we could play the Contagion Clasp. Or just leave our mana open and draw a card. Yeah, this should be the better thing than playing the Contagion Clasp. Just drawing a mana. And here comes. Not much. Skin Render. Okay. And you want to kill my... well, nothing. Kill nothing, but just weaken the Degenim. Guess I want to block that. And before the damage occurs... I'll tap that. And draw a card. Yeah, okay. Could have been worse. Yeah, this looks sweet. So Silvermere swings in. That's okay. For me. Because here we have Soliton. And 2 mana open for our Dragon of Thought. You may attack. You want to, man? You want to? Just use the Twisted Image for that. To make no damage happen, huh? This should be a play. Seems okay. Seems okay. Oh, he has an Instill Infection. No, Rustic. That's also fine. And the Rustic won't be at the battlefield for long. So you don't want to block, which is okay. I don't mind. And for sure we will proliferate our counter on the Dragon of Thought. And yeah, well, you don't draw a card, which is okay. You draw mana. Fine for me. Yeah, now we'll proliferate the counter on his Rustic and on our Dragon of Thought, and then use, a Dragon of Thought. Or maybe don't use it, because we might have to untap after his Rustic taps. Well, that's okay. That may happen. So at first we do it this way. Proliferate here, proliferate there. Yep, that's okay. And we get another card in our hand. Yep, that seems okay. That seems not so good, but, well, you can always choose. Guess I want to proliferate right now. So the Rustic may be gone. But I guess he'll tap my Silvermere before that. Sure, man, sure. So Rustic is gone, and Dragon is gone. No, Dragon's not gone, but Dragon gets an additional counter. And guess we just use one counter from that to draw a card. Maybe we'll have something we can use. Yeah, this seems pretty sweet. This seems sweet. So next turn we have Soliton with Arbalest ready. This should make it a GG. So I don't want to risk anything here with Soliton. And if he attacks with a Bleakhaven Vampire, we just throw our Coppermere in front of that. So, here comes Mr. GG, the Arbalest. Huh? Nothing happens. This sounds good. Hopefully, hope he has no Grasp of Darkness, so that would be a bit mean. This happens, so 2 damage to you. Untap. 2 damage to you. Untap. 2 damage to you. Untap. And GG. In your face. So, won the first game of the second round. Yeah, Stoic Rebuttal would have been fine. Okay. What do we need here? Definitely turn aside. With Dull can surcharge, guess not. Okay, Twisted Image was sweet, but not too good. Guess we don't really need that. Do we really need 2 Screeching Silk Claws? Maybe we cut off 1 Silk Claw. Twisted Image was not bad, but, well, it wasn't good either. Okay, and we could need a Darksteel Mirror, definitely. And for that, we sideboard Twisted Image. This should do it. Seems okay. Yup. Second game.